In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho Payroll book, and we'll do so in a smooth and straightforward manner in just about 5 minutes. Zoho, as you might already know, offers a comprehensive suite of cloud software that helps businesses run more efficiently. Payroll is a critical part of any organization, and Zoho Payroll makes it relatively easy to manage all aspects of employee compensation. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to add an employee to your Zoho Payroll book. To start, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to the Zoho website. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do is look for the Sign In button. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you have the right credentials handy to access your Zoho account, as this is where all the payroll magic will happen. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. This is essentially your central hub for all things Zoho. From here, you can access the various tools and applications Zoho offers. Our focus today, of course, is on Zoho Payroll, so the next step is to navigate to the payroll dashboard. This section acts as the control center for managing payroll-related tasks. At the Zoho Payroll dashboard, you'll see a variety of options designed to streamline your payroll processes. Our primary interest today is the Employees section, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page that displays all your current employees, allowing you to manage and track their payroll details easily. Now, to add a new employee, look for the Add Employee option. Clicking on this will bring up a form where you can enter all the necessary details for your new employee. Here's a tip. Gather all the required information beforehand to make this process as seamless as possible. You'll need the employee's basic details such as their full name, email address, and contact information. Also, have their job title, department, and compensation details ready to fill in as well. Once all the necessary fields are filled out, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. It's always good practice to double-check your entries to avoid any issues down the line. When you're confident that everything looks correct, submit the form, and just like that, your new employee will be added to Zoho Payroll. And there you have it. With just these few simple steps, you've successfully added an employee into the Zoho Payroll book. This process not only saves you time, but also helps ensure that your payroll records are up to date and accurately reflect your employee roster. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore the other features Zoho offers to further simplify your payroll management.